Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the system. Use an admin account and disable any restrictive UAC prompts so commands run cleanly. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator, press Win+X then A, because you need elevated access to read firmware data. Make sure your PC runs Windows 11 and uses BIOS/UEFI firmware. Otherwise, the key retrieval method won't apply. Now that you're in PowerShell, you're ready to run the single command that pulls the OEM product key from firmware. You will now execute the command that queries firmware-stored keys. Type get WMI object query, select * from software licensing service. OA3X original product key and press enter. This reads the OA3 key field from the licensing service. If that returns blank, then try get sim instance class name software licensing service as an alternative. Different systems expose the value differently. When a key appears, copy it exactly including hyphens. Make sure to store it securely because you may need it for reinstall or activation. You finish by testing the key. Go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Activation, and enter the product key if needed for reinstall or reactivation. If PowerShell return nothing, make sure firmware stores an OEM key. Many custom builds or upgraded systems won't, so check your vendor documentation or extract keys from a backup registry hive. If activation still fails, contact the device manufacturer. Finally, secure the key offline or in a password manager to prevent loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.